Baby shark doo-doo-doo wade, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes whack. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two. They both laugh, hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck, oh not planned. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, 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 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings hell. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Choo-choo train is on the way. Through the jungle bright and gray. Baby dinos hear the sound. Let's all jump and run around. Choo-choo! Go, go, go! Dino party in a row. Tracks are shaking, trees all sway. It's a dino train today. T-Rex climbs with tiny feet. Is the seat too big for me? Triceratops says, move aside. All the dinos take a ride. Bearing, choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino dance on every stop. Roar and laugh and jump in line. Train is wild and feeling fine. Suddenly the train goes boom. Stegosaurus shakes the room. Brachio bends and hits the top. Oops, I think I made it pop. Choo-choo, wiggle, wiggle. Dinos laugh and do a jiggle. Rumble, tumble, what a sight. Dino train is wild tonight. Train goes into spooky cave. Who is inside? Be brave, be brave. Echo sound, roar, roar, roar. Who's it guide? Baby Dino scream for more. But it's just a dino band. Trying music in the sand. Choo-choo, music blast. Dino party moving fast. Clap your claws and stomp your feet. This train ride is super sweet. Train comes out into the sun. Dino shouting, this was fun. Driver Dino rings the bell. Next adventure all is well. Choo-choo, one last cheer. Dino friends are all right here. Roar and laugh and say hooray. Train ride ends the happy way. Choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino train will never stop. Sing it loud and join the fun. Dinosaur ride for everyone. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark and bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC Adventure Leaky. Pop, 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 balloon so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play cow. Counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say, give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby runs, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic wide awake. Baby claps, shark says wow. This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop, balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Hiding was fun, ha, 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do-do-do-do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid behind the big red coil. Mommy shark looked, oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! 4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, come out and play. Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. 3 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. 2 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the 4th baby shark, laughing non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. play the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! 5 baby sharks. Hiding was fun.